Mm-hmm. Hi there and welcome back. Today we're going to make Bánh Xèo, a very popular dish in Vietnam. For the ingredients, we need mustard green, freshly harvested from the garden. Then you can also add some mince. It adds a unique flavor to the roll that we're going to make. You can also add some lettuce. It's optional. You can add other types of vegetable or herbs like basil for different flavors. It's up to you. Now we're going to wash those vegetables to make sure they are completely clean. So for the main ingredients, you should have 1 pack of Hương Xưa pancake flour of 500 grams. Then add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. Also mix with 1 liter of water. Then add 2 tablespoons of cooking oil. Mix it well. Then set it aside. Next, cut 400 grams of pork belly into thin pieces. Now take 400 grams of shrimps and cut them in half. Now marinate the shrimps and meat with half a tablespoon of chicken powder. Also half a teaspoon of pepper. Then add half a tablespoon of fish sauce. Mix them well, then keep them marinated for at least 15 minutes. In a hot pan, add some oil. Also, add some shallot and minced garlic. Fry it until it becomes golden brown. Next, add the meat and stir fry for around 3 minutes. Then add the shrimps and stir fry until they are cooked. Next, drain all the juice out. Back to the pan. Each time before you add the pancake, grease up with a piece of pork fat. Now add the pancake flour. Make sure it's evenly coated. Next, add a few pieces of meat and shrimps. Align them one side and add some bean sprouts on top. Cover the pan and cook it for about 15 seconds. Then remove the lid and fry it for a few more seconds. Don't let it burn, it's very important. Now here are the results. For the sauce, add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Also 2 tablespoons of warm water. You also add 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Then 1 teaspoon of lemon juice. And finally, you can add some chili and garlic as desired. Now, I will show you how to roll the pancake. First, wet a rice paper, then add a few leaves of green mustard and also a few leaves of mint. Then add the lettuce on top, and finally the pancake. Now, that is crunchy. Again, here's a sound. That is how you do it. That is the right way to make bánh xèo. Now, next step is just to roll it. Oh, yeah, it's losing its crunchiness, but hey, it's okay. Yeah, you can put it here. And now, dip in. Oh, wow. Whoa. Wonderful. Wow. Delicious. This is one of my favorite dishes. The final bite. So that's it. I hope you liked the video. See you next time.